In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote your Shopify store effectively. We all know that getting your store in front of the right audience can significantly boost your sales, but the process may seem daunting. Don't worry, I'm here to walk you through some practical steps to increase your store's visibility and attract more customers. First things first, head over to Shopify by typing www.shopify.com into your browser. If you're not already logged into your account, you'll see an option to do so. Click on the login button to proceed. The importance of this step cannot be overstated. It's your entry point into managing and promoting your store. Once you've clicked on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email address associated with your Shopify store to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, you'll be asked for your password. Enter your password carefully and then click on login to access your Shopify admin area. Now that you're in, navigate to the My Store section and then go to Products within Shopify. This section is crucial because before you start promoting your Shopify store, you want to ensure that your products are well organized and ready for your potential customers to browse and purchase. Next, we'll take a step outside of Shopify and venture into the world of social media promotion, specifically using TikTok. Go to www.tiktok.com. TikTok is a powerhouse for promoting products thanks to its massive engaged audience and the virality factor of its content. Once you're on TikTok, look for the TikTok made me buy it trend. This trend is your golden ticket to getting your products noticed. The hashtag or trend showcases products that have gone viral, inducing purchases based on user recommendations and reviews. It's a fantastic way to get your products in front of a willing and engaged audience. When you find the TikTok made me buy it section, take a moment to click on highlight compilations or individual videos within the trend. By doing this, you can understand what makes a product or a promotional approach successful on TikTok, which in turn can inform how you might present your own products. But what makes promoting your Shopify store on TikTok or any other platform successful? First, it's about understanding your audience and what appeals to them. Presentation matters. A creative, engaging showcase of your product can make all the difference. Also, interacting with your audience through comments and direct messages can build a community around your brand, encouraging loyalty and repeat purchases. By following these steps and utilizing the power of both your Shopify store's organization and the viral nature of platforms like TikTok, you're setting yourself up for a successful promotional campaign. Remember, promoting your store is an ongoing process. Stay active, stay creative, and keep engaging with your audience to build your brand's presence online. Before we conclude, a few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your Shopify store is updated with your latest products and offers. Keep an eye on trends. What works today might change tomorrow, so being adaptable is key. Lastly, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your promotional efforts across different platforms to maximize your reach. Promoting your Shopify store effectively requires a mixture of strategic planning, understanding platform-specific nuances, and a bit of creativity. By taking the steps we have discussed today, you'll be well on your way to increasing your store's visibility and ultimately its sales. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to promote your Shopify store. Remember, persistence is key. Keep refining your approach based on what works and don't be afraid to try new strategies. Here's to your success in the exciting world of e-commerce.